Hello dear students, welcome in this mathematics class. So today we'll do this question. This is taken from class 10 chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. 15th question is, a straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching to the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Okay, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So first of all, let's draw the figure and understand the question. First of all, it is given that a straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. So let's draw a tower here. So suppose this is tower, AB is a tower. Okay, and this is a road, straight highway, you can say this is straight highway which is coming towards the foot of the tower, and a man standing at the top of the tower. Suppose man is standing here and he observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So suppose car is coming here and it is coming towards the tower, AB's tower. So he is observing from here. So when he will see the car, then this will be the ray of sight, nazar ki line, okay, and this will be horizontal of his eye. So we know angle between the horizontal of the eye and the ray of sight is called angle of depression. This is ray of sight and horizontal. So this is angle of depression. This is 30 degree, right? Suppose this is point E. Now you know this is 30 degree angle, so this will also be 30 degree angle because these two angles are alternate interior angles. These two lines are parallel, so these are alternate interior angles. Now what happened afterward? After 6 seconds later, what happened? The angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Means after 6 seconds, suppose car is from here to here, car is reached at point D. Suppose after 6 seconds from C to D, car is reached here at D point, right? Now he has observed that now the angle of depression is 60 degree. Now see, if he will see the car at point D, then this will be the ray of sight, and this is horizontal already drawn. So this angle, he said that 60 degree. This angle is, so I am writing here 60 degree angle. Clear? This angle is 60 degree. So this angle will also be 60 degree. Why? Because these are alternate interior angles. Now the question is, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So from D point, how much time will be taken by the car to reach at point A? That question is asked here. So from C to D, car is taking 6 seconds. So from D to A, how much time is taken by the car? That we need to find out. So what is the procedure of this question? How we will find out? Let's see. What we do, we will find the relation between CD and AD. Okay, that CD is how much AD. Okay, relation between these two. Suppose CD is double of AD. Suppose double of AD, right? Then for traveling CD, there is taken 6 seconds. So AD is, this is half of CD, I told. Okay, so AD will take, or to travel distance AD, it will take just 3 seconds. So we'll compare these two. Suppose CD is half of AD. Suppose half of AD का half है, तो CD is to travel CD it is taken 6 seconds, but ये AD का half है, so AD will take 12 seconds because it is double of CD. So distance is double, then time will also be double. So our motive is to bring the relation between CD and AD. Then we'll use unitary method and find out the time also. Okay, so how we will find out the relation between these two? What we do, in right angle triangle, see here, ABD, in right angle triangle ABD and in right angle triangle ABC. In both these right angle triangles, AB is common because AB is coming in both the right angle triangles. What we do, we will find out AB in both the right angle triangles, right? In right angle triangle ABD, we will find out AB in terms of AD. Okay, and in ABC right angle triangle, we will find out AB in terms of AC, and then we will equate these ABs and we will get the relation between AD and CD. because when AC will come there, we'll write AC as CD plus DA. Okay, so main motive is we'll find out the relation between CD and AD by finding out AB in both the triangles and equating the AB. Then we'll get this relation. Let's start now. So it's written, let in figure AB is a tower, C is the initial position of the car. After 6 seconds, the position of the car is at point D. Now angle EBC is equal to angle C, because these are alternate interior angle. Angle EBD is equal to angle D, that is 60 degree. Both these are alternate interior angles. Now in right angle triangle ABC, this bigger right angle triangle, what we do, we'll write AB over AC. That is, see here, P over B, perpendicular over base, that is tan 30 degree, right? So now AB over AC. To AC, I can write CD plus AD or AD plus CD. Okay, so we'll write AD plus CD, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now we'll do cross multiply. This AD plus CD will go here in the numerator. So AB is equal to AD plus CD over root 3. This is number 1 equation. Now in second right angle triangle, in right angled triangle ABD now. Okay, in ABD, let's see what will be there. AB over AD is equal to P over B, that is also tan. So tan 60 degree. So it will become AB over AD is equal to tan 60 is root 3. So you can say AB is equal to AD root 3. This is equation number 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 both are AB. We can equate these equations. So we'll write equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. Okay, so let's write in this side. So what will be happened, see here, this is AD plus CD over root 3 is equal to, here it is AD root 3, right? Now do cross multiply this root 3 will be 3, so 3AD. So 3AD is equal to AD plus CD. Okay, so 3AD and this AD will also come to this side, minus AD is equal to CD. So you can say here 2AD is equal to CD, and AD is half of CD. This 2 will go down. So it means AD is half of CD. AD is half of CD. For CD, it is taking 6 seconds. For AD, it will be half of CD. So it will be taking 3 seconds. Half of 6 is 3 seconds. Again, I tell you, AD is half of CD. तो CD के लिए 6 सेकेंड लग रहे हैं, तो हाफ ऑफ CD के लिए मतलब दैट इज AD, दैट इट विल टेक 3 सेकेंड. सो विल राइट हेयर टाइम टेकन टू travel distance CD is equal to 6 seconds. Now time taken to travel half CD, and you know what is half CD here, that is AD. Okay, so that is half of 6 seconds, that is 3 seconds, right? 3 seconds. So it means for traveling AD it takes 3 seconds. So you can write the answer also. So required time is 3 seconds. This way we will do this question. Thanks for watching.